Well, today guys, I'm gonna make it a lovely, beautiful oxtail. And I remember I said to you, if you're at home, you need to go to the shop, get your oxtail and get it marinated now. Remember I told you that the day before? Well, today we're gonna cook that lovely oxtail. As you can see, right over here is the oxtail, marinated, soak into that season. I got garlic and spring onion, fresh thyme, and the brown nice ox right here. So guys, what we're gonna do, first of all, we're gonna get the pot hot. Right over here is the pot. Yeah, my egg. Look in that pot, man. That pot is have some spots in it. But I'm telling you, this pot is the best pot to cook oxtail in. It give it that flavor, it give it that taste. Now I'm gonna turn on my stove. Right here, as you can see, I'm just turning on my stove, guys, and I'm telling you, what I'm gonna do now is simple. Basically, is put in some little pinch of oil inside of this pot. Now, as you can see, what I'm doing right here at the moment, guys, oil is inside of the pot. Now I'm gonna put in some garlic. Can't leave my garlic them hold up. Then now we're gonna put in some spring onion, fresh thyme. Right here is the fresh thyme, guys. Bang. Pop it straight inside of the pot. Oh, that beautiful seasoning, guys, I'm telling you. Then next, use a wooden spoon. You can't take them off. As you can see what I'm doing at the moment, this pot is one of the best pots to cook oxtail in. You can use your normal pot you have at home to cook your oxtail in. But I'm telling you, with my pot, I love to cook oxtail in this one. Now I'm going to put in my oxtail inside of it just like this. So, as you can see, right here, I'm putting that beautiful oxtail inside of the pot. Now, with the juice and everything. Wow, that's nice. Smell really good. Now I'm gonna cook off the oxtail inside of the pot for roughly one nice good say 15 minutes. Every 15 minutes, it's good to use a kettle, boil some water, and every 15 minutes, what you do, you continue adding some water because it's gonna spring his own juice. So every 15 minutes you keep adding water. I'm gonna cook it until it gets really soft and tender. Enjoy the recipe. Lovely and nice. So guys, did your oxtail ready? Mine is ready now. Mine is so soft and tender at the moment. You know, oxtail take up to probably about 1 hour and 15 minutes to cook. So right here, guys, I want to simply say to you, the oxtail which I was talking about is ready, cooked and done and dusted. Now we're gonna season it because we are ready. Remember I told you before, just keep adding boiling water until it gets really soft. Not soft till it's gonna be mashed enough away, but soft enough that means you can add your veg. Right here I got carrot, potato, spring onion, tomato, mixed peppers, and garlic and more thyme. Oh, right over here I just made up some spinach which we're gonna use also inside of it. We have a tin of baked butter bean also which we're gonna put inside of it. Guys, I'm gonna put the link below how to make the spinach for your oxtail, and right over here is the veg. You can also cut your veg at home. Carrot, just cut them very small and a medium size, very small. And the spinach, I'm definitely gonna put the link below, and I'm gonna have the video side of the oxtail to show you how to make spinach for your oxtail. And right over here, that's that beautiful oxtail. Look at that. So let's season the oxtail now, guys. No time to waste with the meat. Lovely. So as you can see, the pot is boiling, and when you know your oxtail is cooked, you can see it's falling off the bone. Look at that. Oh my days, guys. The veg inside. Now we're gonna put in some spinach. To make a spinach, this is the way the spinach look. Very small, not big. So right over here, that's the spinach. And that's the dough how to make the spinach right here. So you just pick up a little piece, roll it into your hand, make sure your hand is clean, guys, and put it straight inside of the oxtail pot. Let's do another one. Look at that, guys. I'm gonna put the link below and show you how to make your spinach for your oxtail. Dumpling spinach is the best in oxtail, guys. Lovely and nice. So as you can see what I'm doing, so we're gonna leave this to cook for next 15 more minutes, or probably might take up to 20 minutes, but that's fine. Lovely. So as you can see, pot is boiling up. Things is looking lovely so far. And right here, this is the butter bean, which we're gonna put straight inside of it. This is the way the butter bean look. Nice and lovely. Now next, let's put a little bit of ketchup inside of it. But as you can see, the oxtail looking lovely and nice so far. What you need to do is to taste it. You cannot cook and not taste it. So what happened now? We were adding so much seasoning, so much water. Sorry guys, we need to add a little bit more seasoning. So a little bit of meat seasoning. And a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. We don't want to use too much of the seasoning. A little bit of pepper. And you can put a piece of a Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper inside of it to bring up the flavor some more. Put a pinch of salt. That's looking lovely and nice. And I love the color, man. Nice color. So, yes, that's perfect. And leave this for it to cook for around 15 minutes. Lovely oxtail is clicking. Look at this, guys. Now I'm gonna share it out. I'm gonna see exactly what I'm talking about. This is beautiful. So the oxtail is finished, done and dusted, ready. So roughly 1.5 hours this takes to cook everything. So guys, I'm not saying anything. Get yourself organized. Tomorrow morning is, if you marinate your oxtail today, make sure you cook it tomorrow. Rice and peas and oxtail tomorrow for dinner. Now we're gonna shear up this in a plate with some plain rice, and you're gonna see it looking lovely and nice now, guys. Look at this. Lovely and nice. Look at that beautiful oxtail, looking so lovely. I got some veg at the side and some rice, plain rice. So guys, I want you to just enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. And as I said, we have a lot more recipe coming out just like these, guys. So just stay tuned as we give you the recipe day by day. And as I said, we have a lot more. So thank you very much for who subscribing the YouTube channel and leaving their comments. And if I didn't say, if you didn't hear, Happy New Year one more time again. Enjoy yourself and have a wonderful time from Chef Ricardo. And the oxtail can go with anything. You can go with rice and peas, dumpling, bronze, you name it. Anything you want to have it with, you can also have it. So this is one of the best Jamaican oxtail you can ever think of.